In this video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple links on your TikTok profile. As you can see in this example, I've included several links to like my Twitter, my YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram profile, and this can all be accessed from one single link on your TikTok profile. We're going to be using a service called Linktree. There are other services that do provide you with this. I like Linktree because this one also provides you a tracker, which basically tells you how many people have clicked on any of these links, which you can use as analytics for later on. Let's set it up right away. You can just Google Linktree. The website is like linktr.ee. They basically will give you a link, which is like linktr.ee/ and then your name, whatever username you choose. And then it will show you that panel that we saw at the beginning of the video. For you to get one, you just need to register to their service. You can get your link for free, and they also have like a paid version which shows you like the analytics of the links themselves, but we don't really need that for now. So basically just click on get started for free. They will ask you for your email and username and password and all of that mumbo jumbo. And once you registered and verify your email address, then it's just a matter of adding the links that you would like to show in the panel, and I'll show you how I did it. So once you've added all your links, you can also choose a profile picture that will show at the very top of the panel, and also the look and feel of the panel itself. You can choose like a theme, an appearance, basically that's how they call it. I'm just gonna choose this simple one called Noir. You can choose any of the other. There are some that are free, and then there are others that are available only with the paid version. It's up to you which one you want to choose. Once you've chosen an appearance, it's basically you're done. You just need to copy your link and then just go and paste it on your TikTok account, and it will basically just look like this. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe. That kind of like helps me out to get that plaque, and I can show it off to my mom and stuff like that. Thank you very much for watching the video, man. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.